Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. And today we're unboxing the AKG K92 headphones by Harman Kardon. Budget-friendly closed back pair that promises studio utility without the studio price tag. So let's crack this open and check if it's true. The packaging is simple and professional. Inside, you'll find the K92 headphones with their matte black finish and gold accents. Also included is a 3-meter fixed cable featuring a standard 3.5mm plug along with a 6.3mm adapter, perfect for both studio setups and desktop use. The K92s are lightweight with a self-adjusting headband. Just pop them on and let your head do the rest. It delivers a surprisingly dynamic sound profile. It has a V-shaped sound signature with deep punchy bass and sparkling highs, ideal for genres like electronic, pop and gaming. The 40mm drivers deliver punchy bass and crisp highs with a frequency response from 16Hz to 22kHz. Although the mids can sometimes feel a bit recessed, overall the sound is energetic and engaging for everyday listening. The build is robust and comfortable for longer sessions thanks to a self-adjusting headband. It's comfortable, stylish and sounds great for the price. The only drawback, it's non-removable cable and mids that sometimes take a coffee break. But hey, nobody's perfect. And so the AKG K92 is a solid pick for casual listening or gaming or light studio work. Just don't expect them to turn you into the Grammy-winning producer overnight. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting content. And see you soon.